A question I get a lot is if I'm going to do renovations on my home, which ones are the best ones I should focus on in order to increase the value of my property? So that's what we're going to talk about today. Hi, my name's Deanna Bradford. I'm a realtor with Reese Nichols Realtors, Excelsior Springs, part of the Bill Hightower team. So let's talk renovations. Which ones should you focus on that will increase the value of your property? We'll start with increasing light and space. So anytime you can take the same footprint of your home, the same amount of square footage, and make it feel more open and bigger, that's going to help with that value on your home. So things like maybe removing a wall, creating more of an open floor plan style if you're able to do that. How about raising the ceilings up and adding windows to allow more light in? These are all great things that you can focus on that definitely won't hurt you in the long run. Another thing you can do is to add recessed lighting to your ceilings. So if you have popcorn ceiling, maybe scrape the popcorn off the ceiling and then add some recessed lights. Not only does that modernize the ceiling, but then it also adds that light factor that we're talking about to make the space feel more roomy. Another area of focus for renovations is the outside of your house. So the curb appeal. That's the first impression anybody will have coming up to your home. And so to focus on that area is definitely an area you don't want to miss. So the exterior of your home itself, the siding that you have in place, is it something that needs to be replaced or could be painted? These are things that could definitely be beneficial. Depending on the area you live in, the kind of property you have, what kind of driveway do you have? Does it need some maintenance done to it? Or can you upgrade your driveway as far as going from maybe gravel to either a pavement or concrete? Now that's kind of a bigger renovation, but would definitely increase value. And then of course, just in general, your landscaping around the property, the flower beds themselves, any shrubs and trees, getting those trimmed back, and just making it overall just look appealing. Another area that you can focus on if you're thinking of doing some big renovations is the basement. Finishing a basement is definitely appealing to buyers. Having an added living area, like a den or family room area, maybe having a bar down there to create a fun space to hang out, especially if you can add a bathroom. That is definitely a plus in a buyer's eyes, to have extra living space in a basement that also has a bathroom. Also, an additional room in a basement is always a plus. A room that could be used as a bedroom or an office or just an extra storage space is always a great area to focus on as well. Next, we'll talk about the bathrooms. It depends on how extensive of a renovation you want to do. If you're looking to keep it low cost, just updating a bathroom can make a huge difference in the value of your home. So things like the flooring or the vanity or the countertop, simple fixes that can update the bathroom can make a huge difference in a buyer's eyes when seeing your home. Some bigger renovation ideas for bathrooms. Adding a bathroom is always a great idea, as well as taking the current bathrooms that you have and making them more spacious. And then finally, another area to focus on when renovating your home is the kitchen. They say the kitchen is the heart of the home, right? And that's where everybody seems to want to gather. So updating that space any way that you can is going to help in the long run with the value of your property. So updating the countertops, the cabinets, whether you paint them or replace them, the flooring if needed. If you're looking to do a whole renovation in a kitchen, making it a more open, spacious with lots of storage are definitely ways you can add value to your property when you update the kitchen. What renovations are you considering doing in your home? You want to know my thoughts on whether they would be beneficial to you or not? Leave a comment below and I'd be happy to answer that. And if you'd like to know how much your home could be worth, whether before or after doing any renovations, I'm always happy to provide that information for anyone at any time, whether you're thinking of selling now or not. So if you would like a free home valuation, then please reach out to me. You can leave it in the comments or reach out on any of my social media platforms, and I'd be happy to connect with you and see how I might be able to help. I hope you find this information helpful. And if you do, I hope you'll like this video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos, which are put out every Wednesday. Thanks and have a blessed day.